Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online in 2023. The internet has made it possible for anyone to earn a living from the comfort of their own home. And in this video, we're going to show you some of the most effective ways to do just that. Segment 1. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways to start earning money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale that is made as a result of your promotion. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a product or service that you believe in and that you think your audience would be interested in. Then, you'll need to find a company that offers an affiliate program. Many companies, including Amazon, offer affiliate programs that you can join. Once you have your affiliate link, you can promote the product or service on your website, social media, or through email marketing. Segment 2. Online courses and ebooks. Another way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would be willing to pay for, this could be a great way to monetize that expertise. You can create a course or ebook and sell it on platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, or your own website. The key here is to create something that is valuable and that people are willing to pay for. Segment 3. YouTube and other video platforms. Video content is more popular than ever, and platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram provide a great way to reach a large audience and make money online. You can create a YouTube channel and monetize your videos through ads and sponsorships. The key to making money on YouTube is to create a consistent stream of high-quality content that appeals to your audience. Segment 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with very little upfront cost. In dropshipping, you don't have to keep any inventory of your own, but instead, you partner with a supplier who will ship products directly to your customers. You can use platforms like Shopify and AliExpress to get started with dropshipping. It's a great way to test out different products and see what sells without having to invest a lot of money. Segment 5. Blogging. Blogging is another great way to make money online. By starting a blog and creating high-quality, engaging content, you can build an audience and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and other methods. The key to success with blogging is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. Once you've established yourself as an authority in your niche, you'll be able to monetize your blog through various methods, including advertising and affiliate marketing. Segment 6. Online consulting and coaching. If you're an expert in your field and have a wealth of knowledge and experience to share, then online consulting and coaching may be the perfect way for you to make money online. By providing consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses, you can help them to improve their skills and reach their goals. Platforms like Clarity FM and Zoom make it easy to provide online consulting and coaching services, and you can also set up your own website to promote your services. Segment 7. Online trading and investing. Online trading and investing can be a great way to make money online if you have an interest in the stock market and an understanding of how it works. Platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and eTimes Trade make it easy for anyone to get started with online trading and investing. However, it's important to keep in mind that trading and investing come with risks. So it's important to do your research and be aware of the potential risks before putting your money into the market. And those are just some of the many ways to make money online in 2023. Remember, the key is to find something that you are passionate about and that has a market, and then put in the hard work and dedication to turn it into a profitable business. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online journey.